Here are the top 50 cryptocurrencies according to market cap ranking, all explained in just one sentence. Welcome to this quick video, everyone. My name is OJ and I'm posting crypto content since 2016 to help you navigate easily in the crypto space. Okay, let's dive straight into it. BTC, Bitcoin. Decentralization, transparency, censorship resistance, and scarcity. These are the core values of Bitcoin, the first and most successful cryptocurrency. It uses peer-to-peer technology to operate with no central authority, hence censorship resistance. Second-ranked cryptocurrency is Ether, built as a platform for creating decentralized applications via automated smart contracts. Ethereum is currently the biggest of its kind. It is the host of thousands of applications, millions of smart contracts. The majority of DeFi and NFT applications are built on Ethereum. Tether was the first stablecoin created to mirror the value of US dollar and to facilitate trading on exchanges that weren't accepting fiat deposits, and it's still the largest one used today. Here is the biggest competition to Tether and already more trusted. It is managed by a consortium called Center, which was founded by Circle, Coinbase, and Bitcoin mining company Bitmain. It's the second most used stablecoin after Tether. Binance Coin is the native token of the most popular crypto exchange, Binance. It's used for paying fees on the platform, earn staking rewards, and other benefits for token holders like yield farming or new tokens on Binance Launchpad and much more. XRP is the token of Ripple, built for faster and cheaper cross-border transactions, and it's used by enterprises such as banks. Since 2020 though, Ripple has been fighting a lengthy court battle with the US securities regulator, which caused much damage to the market value of the XRP token, and it still hasn't recovered to this day. By the way, when we talk about market cap ranking, market capitalization, I assume you know what this means. But very quickly explained, this is calculated by the current price of the cryptocurrency unit multiplied by its circulating supply. Both of these metrics are subject to constant change. On the one hand, the price changes every second. On the other hand, new tokens, new units of these cryptocurrencies are being minted all the time, so their supply grows. Or it could also shrink, depending on the type of protocol. I mean, if they're doing regular token burns, they could actually shrink the supply. Anyhow, what I mean is that the ranking that you see in this video may not be the same at the time that you watch this video. Some of these tokens would have already dropped and will be replaced by others, so keep this in mind. However, the ones that I just mentioned here are usually firmly positioned in the top as they are right now. And also a quick disclaimer here that none of this is investment advice or a recommendation to buy any of these cryptos. This is meant purely for informational purpose only. If you want my free ebook guide to the top 200 cryptos explained in one sentence, grab the link from the description below. And yes, it is free. Okay, moving on to number 7, which is BUSD. This is the stablecoin created by Binance Exchange as an alternative to Tether. It is also pegged to the US dollar at 1-to-1 ratio, and it is fully audited, something that Tether avoided for the longest time. Alright, next one is ADA. This is the coin of the Cardano blockchain. It is a smart contracts platform designed to build as an alternative to Ethereum by one of the co-founders of Ethereum. It pays staking rewards as well. Solana is the next one on my list. Now this is another Ethereum competitor. It supports much higher throughput. In simple terms, it's fast and it can handle up to 65,000 transactions per second at peak. Although there are faster blockchains, Solana still managed to quickly rise to the top 10 cryptos last year. Dogecoin began as a joke, a fun project based on Litecoin, and it's named after the internet meme Doge. It has a fairly quick mining period and it was forked out very early on. Back in 2013, it was the 4th altcoin to ever be created. Alright, Polkadot, one word, interoperability. Polkadot enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset, not just tokens, and includes a main blockchain called the relay chain, and then many user-created parallel chains, or we call them parachains. It also has a connecting layer or bridge that allows value and data to be transferred between most blockchains and can even be used to connect to non-blockchain databases. Alright, now this is wrapped Bitcoin. It's a modified version of Bitcoin equal to it in price that can be used on Ethereum. The token was actually created to allow users to interact with Ethereum's decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem. Tron offers a scalable platform for creating decentralized applications. It aims at supporting up to 10,000 transactions per second, and it's somewhat of an Ethereum competitor. It is somewhat controversial. Its founder is not very well accepted in the crypto circles, and there is a ton of cloud mining scams that are circulating online that are associated with Tron. So I'm not really a fan, but it's doing some progress this year. Okay, now this is the first collateral-backed cryptocurrency that I personally heard of. It maintains a stable one-to-one value with the US dollar, but by locking other crypto assets in smart contracts, we refer to this model as algorithmic stablecoin, since it's not really backed by a reserve of the fiat currency that it's pegged to. Now, this is a side note. Up until recently, we had Terra USD on this list. It was the most popular algo stablecoin. It used a token called Luna as collateral to maintain its peg to the dollar. But in May, the stablecoin lost its peg to the dollar and crashed suddenly, wiping away billions of dollars and causing the token Luna to lose 100% of its value, proving that this model is yet to be perfected. Next on this list at number 15 is the token of Avalanche, yet another Ethereum competitor. Avalanche is scalable smart contracts platform. I did a detailed video on Avalanche, so you can refer to that if you like to know more. Moving on to Shiba Inu. This is one of the biggest meme coins to ever happen on the back of Dogecoin. It is a copy, of course, but with aspirations of becoming a smart contracts platform in the future. We'll see how far. I'm curious to see what they will do with this one. Alright, now Leo is an ERC20 utility token of the iFinex ecosystem, which is a branch out of Bitfinex exchange. Matic Network provides scalable, secure, and instant Ethereum transactions using plasma side chains and a proof-of-stake network. Litecoin, this is a fork of Bitcoin, to my knowledge, is the second ever altcoin to be created after Namecoin, and it was launched in late 2011. It has faster transactions time and larger supply than Bitcoin. Fun fact, both Segwit Upgrade and the Lightning Network were tested on Litecoin before they were applied to Bitcoin, and Litecoin was always known to be a sidekick to Bitcoin. It hasn't done much lately. It seems to be fading away in the background, unfortunately. Kronos, this is the native token of Crypto.com, a growing ecosystem for mobile payments and exchange platform. Also, it's a lending and crypto bank-like service. Their debit cards are very popular, among one of their best products. I'm a happy user of those. They give you cashback rewards on your purchases and other perks. This is a utility token of the FTX cryptocurrency derivatives exchange that offers futures, leverage, and OTC trading. Quite a popular one. Uni, this is the token of Uniswap, the biggest DEX decentralized exchange. If you're familiar with DeFi and DEXs, you must have used it already. You must be familiar with that. Near Protocol is a decentralized application platform and Ethereum competitor that focuses on ease of use. Near tokens are used to pay for transaction fees and storage on the Near crypto platform. Bitcoin Cash, this is the cryptocurrency that forked out of Bitcoin in 2017 among the big debacle about scaling. Well, while Bitcoin implemented Segwit, which was an upgrade to enable more data to fit in a single block, Bitcoin Cash decided to go with a larger block size. They increased their block size 2 or 3 times already, and still they're mining near empty blocks, as the network is not finding popularity as much as they would have liked. Alright, XMR, this is the token of Monero. It offers secure, private, and untraceable transactions. It's basically one of the first and the most used privacy coins of all of them. Alright, now this is the other Ethereum. We could call it the original Ethereum blockchain, since it is a continuation of the classic version of the blockchain preserving its untampered history. And what I mean by that? Well, back in 2016, there was a hard fork that rolled back the blockchain of Ethereum to a previous date. This was done to cancel a massive theft that occurred at the launch of the first DAO on Ethereum. Anyway, to cut a long story short, the current Ethereum that we know and that we use today is forked, and the original version is carried out by the Ethereum Classic blockchain. But still, it's not the dominant chain. Alright, moving on to the next one, and this is Stellar. The core concept behind Stellar is to move money reliably, faster, and at the lowest possible costs, thus competing with XRP to some extent, and it's also founded by the same people. Chainlink offers a bridge between various blockchains and also an off-chain settlement mechanism where traditional institutions such as banks can communicate with other blockchains. Atom. This is the token of a project called Cosmos, a blockchain ecosystem where thousands of dApps interoperate to create the foundation for a new token economy in a network of many independent blockchains that can all interact with each other. At number 30 comes Algorand, from decentralized finance to generative NFT art and everything in between. Algorand's blockchain is offering economic models for the future. Next one is Flow. This is a high-performance blockchain specifically for creating NFTs or crypto games and other dApps. Unlike general-purpose blockchains such as Ethereum, Flow is actually built to efficiently scale for potentially billions of people interacting with NFTs and other in-game items. VeChain. This connects blockchain technology to the real world by providing robust infrastructure and Internet of Things integration. HBAR is the token of the Hedera hash graph network, which aims to deliver fast, fair, and secure applications. Hashgraph is not really a blockchain, but rather a multitude of nodes that can independently verify transactions while following a sequential order to avoid double spend. The token also serves to protect the network from certain types of cyber attacks. Ape. This is the token of ApeCoin, and it is the latest token to be released in this list, in the whole of the top 200 in fact. It comes on the back of the most successful franchise in NFT history so far, Bored Ape Yacht Club. The token will be at the center of their Overland Metaverse. There was so much buzz around this token that you must have heard of it. Next on the list, Decentraland is a virtual reality platform powered by the Ethereum blockchain, yet again, where users can create experiences and monetize content and applications. Mana is their native token, one of the 3 biggest metaverse tokens, especially in this list. XTZ. This is the token of Tezos, and it was developed by ex-Morgan Stanley analyst Arthur Brightman as a multi-purpose platform that supports dApps and smart contracts and basically combines a self-correcting protocol and on-chain governance to manage the network modifications. I like this project, although its market performance can be a little bit slow. Next one is Internet Computer. ICP is the token, and this is a utility token that allows users to participate in and to govern the Internet Computer blockchain network, which is intended to provide a limitless environment for smart contracts and other decentralized applications to run at web speed. The Sandbox is a metaverse, and this is their native token, one of the biggest success stories of last year, you've probably heard. Filecoin. Now, this is quite an old one. This is a global network of computer operators who provide a file sharing and storage, decentralized. Users who act as storage providers earn units of the Filecoin. KCS, the native token of KuCoin Exchange. Now, this is another utility token. It's paying rewards to token holders, cutting down your fees on the platform, on the exchange when you're trading, and other uses. It's a good one, although it's heavily outperformed by BNB, which is the token of Binance Exchange. The 2 exchanges actually launched almost at the same time back in 2017. And the 2 tokens had very similar performance for a while in the beginning, but at some point Binance really took over and then their token really exploded. Anyways, Elrond. Now this one solves the scaling and speed problem by processing transactions in parallel. They call it adaptive state sharding. With more than 250,000 transactions per second actually, the Elrond blockchain can execute transactions in almost real time. Alright, next one is Aave. This is the native token of one of the most successful DeFi platforms where users can borrow a range of cryptocurrencies as well as lend assets in exchange for interest payments, interest earned, all without the need of a middleman. Alright, Zcash offers transparency or private transactions where sender, receiver and the transaction amount remain private. The next one is TrueUSD. This is a USD-backed ERC20 stablecoin that is transparently audited, and it was born at the time of insecurity and controversy surrounding the Tether token, and there have been many times like that. EOS, this is a blockchain protocol that enables horizontal scaling of decentralized applications. It allows developers to efficiently, we can say, create high-performance distributed applications. However, not that many applications were built on it. Clayton is a public blockchain designed for the Metaverse, gaming and also the creator economy. It was launched in June 2019 and it has a large share of the South Korean blockchain market. Maker enables anyone to leverage their Ethereum assets to generate DAI on the Maker platform. Alright, at number 48 comes an Ethereum token that powers Axie Infinity, a blockchain-based game where players can battle, collect and build a digital kingdom for their pets. Token holders can claim rewards for staking their tokens, playing the game and participating in key governance votes. Okay, tokens on the Tether blockchain are used as an incentive to encourage individual users to share their redundant computing and bandwidth resources by watching and rebroadcasting videos to other users or hosts. It's a video sharing platform, basically like a decentralized YouTube, although not as popular. HT, this is an ERC20 token. It is actually the token of Huobi Exchange. It's a utility token, much like Binance token. And exchange tokens like this one are quite popular, quite useful. I mean, CRO is like that, BEST token, the Bitpanda ecosystem token, BNB is like that, KuCoin exchange token is like that, FTX, I mean, there's many of them. Alright, so these are the current top 50 cryptos by market capitalization. As I mentioned, I have a free guide for the top 200 coins. Again, all explained in just a sentence. Brief and simple, so go get this ebook. Find the link in the description below, or you can also scan this QR code. It will take you straight to the page. This way you will also be joining my email list and you will be receiving my crypto newsletters. These are bi-weekly. I send them at the beginning and in the middle of each month, where I actually share market analysis and other market insight. Valuable and for free. Make sure that you join. I also created a series of short videos called Crypto Jargon, where I explained all of the terms that I was using here. If you didn't understand or if you don't know any of the terminology that you saw in this video, make sure that you go check them out. They're also as a playlist on my channel, so just go on my channel, go to playlists, and it will also pop up here in that corner if you're watching this on YouTube, so make sure that you check them out. Also like, share and comment or subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and watch out for my upcoming episodes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.